I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the sheet open. Now act. Select the row immediately below the row or rows you want to keep visible. Once selected, switch to the View tab and click Freeze Panes. Choose Freeze Panes to lock everything above your selection, or use Freeze Top Row if only the first row needs locking. You do this because Excel anchors the display above the active row. That makes headers persistent while you scroll through long datasets. If you need more than one frozen row, select the row immediately below the last header row. For 2 frozen rows, select row 3. For 3, select row 4, then click View Freeze Panes. Once done, Excel locks everything above that selection so headers stay visible. Make sure to avoid selecting whole columns unless you intend to freeze columns too. That will lock horizontal scrolling. Also note that Freeze Top Row is a shortcut specifically for the very first row, so use it only when appropriate. Complete the process by confirming the frozen rows stay visible while you scroll, then save the workbook to preserve the view. If you must change the frozen range, first go to View Unfreeze Panes, adjust your row selection, and reapply Freeze Panes. One key troubleshooting tip: if Freeze Panes is unavailable or behaves oddly, inspect the header area for merged cells or sheet protection. Unmerge cells and unprotect the sheet, then try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.